ready to start the process? Okay. Let's see what they have. So these are like the songs.
Good?
Awesome singer, just like, hey girls, they're on your side. So just always by your side. I'll have you close your eyes, make a super special wish, and then give them a big kiss. So, let me help you. Come right here. Thank you. And now set your mind out.
Ava, look. Ava.
Do you want to take a look at it?
if we name her Lavender? Ava, come over. Come see your kitty cat. What was her name? Lavender?
Yes.
Are you super excited to open the box? Because I think they're about to have a tea party, right?
Yeah, and I got her phone.
You got her a phone?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Go ahead. Let's open the box.
Here's your microphone. Something is, and I get you a phone.
Let's see. And she got a microphone.
Yeah.
And let's see her paperwork.
Da-na-na.
So let's see.
What's your birthday on?
Her birthday is today, July 2nd. Her name is Lavender. She's 17 inches, 10 ounces. Her eye color is green and her fur color is purple. And she belongs to Ava. Hi, Ava. So, who is this?
This is Lavender.
This is Lavender, and she's a part of the new what kind of collection? What is it?
The honey girl.
The Honey Girl. And she is so cute. She's a purple cat, right?
Yeah.
I have no idea what her actual name is. That's something we should probably look up, huh?
Yeah, her look have a phone.
She has a phone as an accessory.
Yeah.
Does it make noise?
Yeah.
That's cool. Camera. So she can take selfies.
Selfie.
And she also has her microphone. Does she sing? I think she has a button that you could push, right?
Yeah. Kitty cat is dancing. You like my song?
Yeah, that's such a good song. She can take a selfie while she's singing. And look, she even has purple and pink hair.
Yeah, look
She
at
has
my
green eyes, and she has a sparkly jacket
Yeah.
and a sparkly kind of shiny dress with a purple star. And she even has Honey Girl on the bottom of her shoe,
Yeah.
which I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
So, what do you like about her?
I like that her got her butt.
You like that she has a phone? I actually like the new song that they have. She's like a rock star cat.
Look at her. Buggy, buggy, buggy. Help me. Her buggy when you dance. Not burgers. Not putting around burgers. Only buggy. Dancing.
Yeah, she's boogieing, like dancing. She's a really cool rock star cat, right?
Yeah.
Can she stand up?
Let's stand up. Ah,
She can't stand up by herself.
that hurt. And now I'm going to go to this
tea set.
Let's go to the tea set. Let's let her meet our other Build-A-Bear friend.
What's her name?
You tell me, what is her name?
I think her name is Flower.
Flowers.
Yeah. Hi, Flower.
Say, hi, Lavender. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Do you want to take a selfie with me?
Of course. Let's definitely take a selfie. Walk, walk, walk.
Selfie.
You
Go!
gotta help her sit up, sit up.
Get in a chair.
Put her chair under her. Look, let's take pictures. That's so cool. We'll leave the other chair.
Want to, now, open your phone. Do you have a phone? You don't have a phone?
I don't think she has a phone. Maybe she'll read her emails at home.
Okay. Did you hear me just do that?
Mm-hmm.
This
Hey, are you gonna sit on that little chair?
Yeah.
Look, maybe she could take a selfie of all of you guys. Let's see.
Hi,
And then let's see. Maybe she could sing for you guys.
kitty cat. Okay, now just do selfie again. Okay, selfie. Okay, that's good. Now best friend. Best friend. Best friend.
Look. Look.
I like that thing smooth. I'll go get some. Ow! I fell on my knee.
Okay, Ava. So, now that you have your honey girl, what do you like about her the most?
I like about her, about her phone.
You like her phone? Do you like her new song? Does it make you want to go see the new Honey Girl movie?
Yeah.
Does that make you want to get more Honey Girl accessories? You want to brush your hair with the blow dryer?
Yeah.
That would be super cool too.
Thank you, Honey Bear. I love you. Go get you honey grass too. Thank you too. Coming to Ava's Universe. Bye.
Bye.